Wisconsin Family is back out at Noble Night Games on Commerce Parkway in Fitchburg, and we are being joined right now by Steve from Steve Auto Sales. That's, that means it's the main man,
This is the guy.
When his name is the actual title, that's the guy, and we got him right here, right now. Thanks so much for joining us.
Well, thanks for having me again. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I love having you on, and we get to talk cars, which I love talking
My
about.
favorite thing.
It sounds so much better when you say it like that. I say cars.
Yeah. That's the man way to say it.
Cars. We're talking cars, and you're on a lot not too far from the Capitol over on East Washington, and a great time for people to come on in and maybe get their battery checked, and lo and behold, you do that for free. What's that all about?
Well, I'm noticing a lot of people are having their batteries die. You go outside in the morning, you're ready to go to school or work, and you don't get what you're expecting out of your car's charging system. Maybe come in now, and we can check that out for free. We get the discounted rates on the batteries. We'll get you another battery in that thing and get you moving.
May I recommend this preventive measure? She knows.
Yeah. I mean, there's actually, we actually go deep. We go into the charging system. We'll check the alternator, check the battery. We'll make sure your cables aren't corroded. We'll do that for free. And if you need the service, we'll get you a discount on the battery. So try to help people out, try to keep you from being inconvenienced in any way in this cold, because the cold is inconveniencing enough.
Being late for work is inconvenient.
Yeah, putting on coats and extra clothes, it takes time, so we want to try to speed things up a little bit.
Steve, is this the kind of thing where someone is they happen to be on East Washington driving by and go, hey, I'm here, can I just stop in and do that?
Just as simple as that. We'll accept you in with warm arms, come in the showroom while we check things out, and just take care of you while you're there.
Excellent. It's kind of a no-brainer. Might as well.
Yeah,
especially
it's a safety thing,
Yeah,
it's like going to the doctor.
Very good. Now, let's talk about the cars you've got on the lot. I know you've got quite a wide variety, from a family car to the pickup trucks, the four-wheel drive. Talk about the cars that are like $3,000 or less. Is that the majority of what people need or want?
That's not the majority, but there are people that are looking for cars in that range, and they're not just all around like that. Like, there's a lot of expensive cars around, as if you probably noticed, but there's not a bunch that are in the $3,000 compressed range. Some people want to cash things out, they don't want to be connected with a loan. So we're just trying to give people options to be able to move without dealing with the banks if they don't want to, or some people just have a little bit of money and they just want to use it on a car and they want to be done. They don't want to make payments, so we're just trying to encourage people to do that if they want to do it.
What kind of car are we talking about for $3,000?
We have Honda Civics down there, Toyota Camrys, good, reliable. A lot of the Japanese cars we have, because sometimes they'll have a little 150, 130,000 miles. And it seems to me that the Asian cars seem to last a little longer when we get up in the miles. So you'll be looking for a Toyota or a Camry or something like that.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, you also like to keep a variety of SUVs in stock.
Oh, yeah.
So if you need a little bit bigger vehicle, you've got them covered. Let's talk about what you have new.
The SUVs are taking over right now. The lot, we have a lot of cars, but the SUVs are it's probably like 6-to-1 right now.
Wow. It has to do with the season.
It has to do with the season.
He's saying come get them.
Right?
Come get them. I mean, the snow is here. We don't have as much today, but we had some yesterday. It's going to make you feel much more secure when you get in this vehicle and you're up off of all that snow. And if you go in the ditch, maybe you can get out,
Hey, that sounds nice. Or get the rest of us out.
Yes, you can help someone else, which is what Steve's Auto Sales is about. So we want to try to help you be safe, get the kids and everybody in the car, and be done with it,
Another good thing that people love too is getting a deal, and you have extended your Black Friday sales.
Goodness.
Yeah, so talk a little bit about that, because you want to save a little money around Christmas time. If you need a car, you don't want to overspend. How about some of these Black Friday deals that you get?
Well, the Black Friday, we've all seen the stores and on the commercials. They want you to come buy a TV and all this. Cool. I understand that. There's only so many TVs and everything you can buy. Why not buy a car? The sale is going to extend on through the rest of the year and through tax time. So we're going to just roll on out through tax time. We're going to keep the prices low. We're going to just make it our own thing. Like, Black Friday is kind of like commercialized, but we just want to drop prices. We want to go into the new year strong, lower prices, sell more cars. So.
Steve, I have to ask, you often see commercials where there's the car and the big bow on it, and I'm wondering, do people really do that? Do people buy cars as a Christmas gift?
Well, Some people do. You know, the people that are more creative in their buying habits will do that, because a vehicle is sometimes more usable and valuable than something you would buy and just put it away in the closet for a while. A car you're going to drive every day. You know, a sweater, you put it on the weekend or whatever, you put it back in the closet. A car is something that could really be used more. I think it's a better gift idea. It's kind of expensive, but you know, it's something you're going to get your value back as you use it.
Yeah. Well, if you're going to need one anyway, you might as well put a bow on it, right?
Put a bow on that thing, you know.
Put a bow on that thing.
That is great advice. It seems like you got a lot of great stuff going on. So check him out. Yep, Steve's Auto Sales on East Wash. We'll be back with more Wisconsin Family right after this on Wisconsin's 57.